is our house. We have come to the uh, terrace. Here you can see this. This is a drumstick tree. Drumstick has got many health benefits. One of them is immune boosting. Our immunity is very much boosted with this leaves, pods. Pods means fruits. So many health benefits are there. So we will pluck some leaves here. We will prepare a tea out of it, tea or kashaya or something like that. See, you can see the fruits also here. It's a big tree. Many people they don't grow this drumstick tree in the homes because they think that it attracts insects. But there is one more benefit. If insects are there, many birds will come and sit on this tree. In that way, see here you can see so many flowers are there and very much health benefits are there. Honeybees will come in. People fear for that insects and other things. But as a fact, it attracts birds. Birds come to eat the insects. Naturally, the birds we can enjoy their chirping sounds and other things. Today, I will pluck some leaves and we will make a tea out of it. See, I am taking tender leaves. Tender leaves are very good. Even the flowers are also have got many benefits. Some ear pain is there. Boil some flowers in the oil and put 1 or 2 drops in the ear. The complaint will be cured very easily, comfortably without going to doctor. Like that, now I have plucked some leaves. We will make a tea out of this. This is almost a terrace garden. Here you can see this is sandal tree. Sandal tree. This is also sandal tree dried up. Now it is ready to cut and make some wood out of it, some carving. And this terrace garden is a hobby for me. You can see here, this is a mango tree. Just this tree also attracts many birds. They will be chirping all the day naturally, but today it is very hot now, so there are no birds in the tree. Likewise, here is guava tree. This is guava, and here some cactus tree. Cactus. This is very costly plant. Now one flower has also come. Cactus is a very good medicine for heart ailments. This is basil tree, and this is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. See so many beautiful flowers. Here also holy basil in different varieties. So I have taken some sufficient drumstick leaves. We will make a immunity boosting tea out of this. Here also you can see a jasmine tree. Jasmine means several varieties of jasmine is there. This is a kind of tree, not a creeper. This gives a very pleasant, fragrant smell flowers. Now we have taken 2 glasses of water and we have cleaned the drumstick leaves like this, cleaned, and we are taking the leaves and putting it into the water. We'll put as much as possible and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. See, we have put so many leaves in the water and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. We will add little rock salt. This is Himalayan pink salt available on Ayurvedic stores. This is black pepper powder. You can see it, ready-made black pepper powder, or we can make powder of pepper in the home also. Now I will add some pepper powder into this. At present, we have to develop lot of immunity to fight this epidemic virus. So kindly make use of this drumstick leaves. You may get it in even in Bombay markets and other vegetable markets sometimes. Get it and keep it in fridge, and daily take 1 glass of tea. You can call it as green tea or kashaya or any other porridge or something like that. You can enjoy it thoroughly. Sip very slowly hot green tea made with drumstick leaves. Drumstick leaves has many benefits. I'll make a video out of these benefits of this drumstick leaves shortly. You can enjoy this. This is a very nice, very healthy green tea we are making. Now this is ready. Now we will filter this. See friends, now we have prepared a green tea or healthy immunity booster tea. This is needed in the present pandemonium season. Now we will drink it slowly, enjoying it. We will enjoy the sip. Every sip we will enjoy. This is very hot, very pleasant, very tasty, and pepper and this rock salt also useful for our immunity. Rock salt contains many ailments like potassium, sodium, and minerals, magnesium. So many other things are there in rock salt. Likewise, pepper powder is to control our cold, throat pain, like that. So we need this kind of immunity teas, immunity booster kashayams in the season. Now let us drink this slowly and enjoy it. In a week, 2-3 days, drink this drumstick leaves tree, and another 3 days tulsi tea, and another 3 days our giloi or guduchi leaves tea. We will make guduchi tea tomorrow. Like that, we can develop our immunity so that we will be safe in this hard times. Let us hope for the best to the world, and we will enjoy this particular immunity booster tea. Thank you very much.